The planner is one of Planfix's core tools. In this video, we'll cover expanded planner lists and how to work with them. As an example, let's look at the In Progress list. Tasks in this list are displayed as cards. This view can be customized by clicking the three-dot menu of the list. In general, a task card can display a lot of useful information, but sometimes that isn't enough. In such cases, you can open the expanded list. Rather than tasks being displayed as cards, they become a list with a configurable set of fields. These fields can be configured manually. This allows you to use column-based search in the table to quickly find the required task by a specific metric or parameter. In addition, you can find the necessary data using sorting or by applying a global filter. The advanced list is also helpful for quick data editing or data review, as well as for performing bulk operations. For example, assigning a project or an assignee. For better visibility, tasks can also be displayed as a Gantt chart. Within the Gantt chart, you can filter tasks, select a date range, change the scale, and show additional task data. Finally, the expanded list allows you to create, print, import, and export tasks as needed. Now you know how to simplify and speed up task management using expanded lists in the planner. Use them, and watch how much more efficient your work becomes.